How to get Uber receipts, a step-by-step tutorial. By following this step-by-step tutorial, you can effortlessly retrieve and download your Uber receipts. Whether for personal use, expense tracking, or reimbursement purposes, understanding how to access and utilize Uber receipts effectively ensures a smooth and efficient experience as an Uber user. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Begin by opening the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Access the menu. In the bottom of the app screen, you'll find the activity menu. Tap to access the menu. This will take you to a list of your recent Uber rides. Step 3. Choose a trip. Scroll through the list and identify the specific trip for which you need the receipt. Tap on that trip to view its details. Step 4. Click on Receipt on the trip details screen. You should see an option labeled Receipt. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Review and download the receipt. A digital copy of your Uber receipt will be displayed on the screen. Take a moment to review the details, including the pickup and drop-off locations, fare breakdown, and date/timestamp. To download the receipt, look for the download icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing downwards, and tap on it. Step 6. Accessing receipts via email. By default, Uber sends receipts to the email address associated with your account. Tap on the Resend email to get a copy of your receipt. Step 7. Archiving or saving receipts. To avoid clutter in your inbox, consider archiving or saving Uber receipt emails in a designated folder. This helps keep your records organized and easily accessible when needed.